So what's the name?
Naeem Hopkins.
How long you been a student here at PTTI?
2 weeks now. About hit 2 weeks.
What's your program?
My program is MAT for electrician. That's what I'm doing right now.
All right, so how do you like the experience so far?
I really do enjoy it. I really do like this experience. I really do like the experience. It showed me a lot of things, like different challenges that I can overcome, certain things I should do. It's just like set me with a path to like, I'll say that, or for a career.
All right, so how's it been like working like with your instructors the past 2 weeks?
Oh, and working with my instructors, they've been very friendly. They're very knowing. They're very caring too. They got a good understanding. If you know you're stuck on a challenge, they'll try to push you to like really prevail through that challenge and get through that challenge. Yeah, but it's really my instructors and everything. They're pretty cool.